Okay, class, this is a tricky video that I'm putting together for you. You're going to go into the class, and then you're going to go to quizzes, and then we're going to just do the practice quiz now. I'm going to click on the practice quiz. Oh, actually, I'm going to go into student view because I have to pretend I'm a student, and I'm going to say take the quiz. I already took it once, so I'm taking it again. You'll get taken to the screen where it says this quiz requires Respondus Lockdown Browser. Please launch Respondus Lockdown Browser to take this quiz and view your quiz results. If you've not already installed the browser, please download it from here. So you'd click this download Respondus Lockdown Browser, and then you want to click the download button and then follow the instructions on the screen to install that browser onto your computer. Once you've installed the browser, you need to completely quit Chrome or Microsoft Edge or whatever browser you're using. You need to find that lockdown browser. You can go up here and you can say lockdown browser if you're using a Mac, and if you're on a PC, you just have to go into the application area. Now this is launching the lockdown browser, and it's going to ask if it can close applications, and I'm going to say, yep, close the applications, close the applications, and now it's loading, and now I'm going to log in back into Canvas. Wait, let me get it right. Hopefully it doesn't ask a security question, but it might. Okay, I'm going to go back into Canvas, and now ignore this part because I have to go in as your instructor, Michelle. Again, ignore what I'm doing. I'm pretending to be your instructor. And I'm going to go back into the course. And I'm going to pretend to be a student now. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to click quizzes. And I'm going to click that practice quiz again. And I'm going to say take quiz again. And now, because you're in the Respondus Lockdown browser, it will work, and it's going to take you through a series of steps. You need to, you can read the terms of use, agree, you need to do a webcam check, yes, record for 5 seconds, it's recording me for 5 seconds, talking to you, and I say, great, continue, and continue, and next, and next, and next, and next, and you want to read all this, things that you don't want to do while you're taking the quiz. Continue. It's going to take a picture of me, and I'm going to continue. Now I have to put my photo ID up here, which I don't have. We'll pretend, you want to get your photo ID. You're going to take that picture, continue, and then you can say start recording. And so now it'll start recording the session. And you want to make sure your area is clear of books. Say stop recording. It's making sure everything is working. And then you'll continue. Now it's going to do that face detection. And now you can begin the quiz. And now you would take the quiz just like you would take it if you were in the course in your normal browser. And so let's just go through. I'm going to say spring. How many moons does the Mars have? I have no idea. Probably more than one. I'll put 2. An experiment. I'm just going to say that, and I'm going to say, yay, I got in. And then I'll say, woohoo. And then I'm going to submit my quiz. All went smoothly, no issues to report. If you have any sort of problem, like your internet went down, you'll want to write that here. Or if you leave the quiz early, you need to explain why, hit submit, and then you're done. I hope that helps.